It's not necessary, but I have to pass the news. It's not my stage. I have moved past that stage, and I was never in that stage, but I just have to talk about it. Most video I do, people will put there, if you know say you sleep with Afise, why you swear for her? That means the people saying this or persons did not watch the video, did not listen to my narrative. Afise claimed that I wanted to sleep with her. She refused. I kneeled and I was begging. Then I now swear that I did not say yes or no. I swear, say make he can't talk the truth. If he not talk truth, he not go no peace. Then I gave her 3 months. I was in abroad. I do what I can do being in abroad. The thing happened, I think 10th of October. She now came out, I think January 10th, to beg for forgiveness. Now, that is my swear. Then I never wanted to say anything. But these few weeks, I begin to realize that this setup, I need to talk about it. Then I talk about it. If you know Mercy Afise now, tell her, say whether we dey talk. She called me almost every day until if I did not pick, that is only when we don't talk. I told her, say, Mercy Afise, you knew everything that happened. You went online to lie against me. You say, "Mo, forget that one." So what am I trying to say? Now when they lie, not sabi lie. Now Juju will finish now. Do you know Mercy Afise lied, drag attention like this my ex, so that he go gain the whole world favor? As at the time me and Mercy Afise spoke 3 days ago last, because I have not been picking her call since 2 days now. She have almost the whole problem on earth. Things are not working. I have not gained anything. He never do this. He never do that. Cause now your mate. She still need to come outside, whether in the 20 years now, to say, I lie, oh. It was not forced. We have a plan to go further, and we did something amicably. So those of you say, why you swear for her? Maybe now waiting my useless ass talk. I not tell say I say he lie. She hasn't said the truth. So everybody the pepper will can't talk true. Do you know all her cosmetic or whatever she's selling and everything? She paint herself. She's suffering. No road is closed. Road is closed. So she still needs to come out to say, yes, I said this thing out of annoyance. We were boyfriend and girlfriend. So I did not swear for her, say, hey, I know do. She's supposed to be my baby at that time. So I just want to seize the video to tell you, say, cause no, they go unpunished. That lady is not fine. She may come out later and start making noise. All this while she's calling me, we are talking. I have it on record. Her problem is not my problem, but one day I will play the record to the world. She called me on video call 3, 4, 5 days ago. I have it on record. So her problem is not my problem, but those of you who are saying, if you know, say you do, why you swear? No. I no swear for her, say, I know do. I swear for her, say, make I lie against me by saying, she was a saint. But when they swear for her, he go think say swear not they work. Some people think say swear now only buy. They say me swear can't buy person. Any swear when he buy you, sorry for you. But any swear when you. To the essence, Mercy Afise is begging me to come and bear witness. Make video to bear witness against her ex, that her ex want to collect her children from court. They are in court. All these things, I have them on video. This thing just happened within a week. A week now. Now me know the pick call. Now me know the pick call again. So, Mr. Afisa, your people will tell you, your bloggers will tell you, but all that complaint when you complain to me is as a result of you lied against me and I swear for you. So, Mr. Afisa, if you want to make your life this settle, you will come out and tell them. I'm not going to tell you what to say. Go and tell them exactly what happened between me and you. And in the nearest future also, this same woman, my ex, he go still come out, come tell the world the truth also. She be say not owe anybody apology, explanation. I am not in a hurry. Me alive or not alive, these people will come out to tell the truth, nothing but the truth. So I think I have answered you people now. I don't want to start mixing egusi with ogbolo together. Mercy Asfisa record that I have kept for this a week. I'm going to play it whenever I feel like playing it. So that you know, say then dub the voice. I have a video record, screen record. I recorded it. So that whole is not just my problem, but some people who are just asking questions if they don't know what is going on, then they want answer. Why if you know say you do? Why you swear for her? That means you not get the message right. I swear for her because she lied. And I did not say what I did. I said, come and tell us the truth. You and I are God, know the truth. Come and say it. She said this to gain favor. And everybody stood for her. I thought she would be I thought she would be president now, by now, the way they stood for her. She quickly said she have opened an organization, people that have been abused. Chairman is this, chairman is that. Maybe if God moves me, I will play Mercy Afisa audio for you today. If I've been moved, I will play some of her audio for you today. This audio not be last year. This audio not last week. And I stopped talking to her 3-4 days ago. And he begin one insult me again. Say I promise her Christmas something I not give her. I not promise you Christmas. I cannot send you money because I swear for you. If I give you any money, it will backfire back to me. Mercy Afisa, I cannot help you. I cannot give you money. I cannot support you. Until you come out in public to confess the truth, I will not return the cost. That is only when I can assist you, whether assisting normal assist or any other assist. But I think I'm going to pray Mercy Afisa's voice this morning. Make una know these people are so heartless. When they are lying against you, they will call God in between. When they are lying, they will call God. When they are lying, they will call God. They forget that God is God. Mercy Afisa, all of you help. She's suffering. Mercy Afisa, all of you help to carry fake news. She's suffering. I begin to swear my swear. They go say, God, if now waiting happen between me and this woman, God, let your will be done. Pepe den, ogun pepe den, oh. Pepe den, ogun pepe den, oh. If you see message when she dey send to me, she dey delete. When not they quick me, they save. In more than 30. I don't know why they delete her. Before I read them, don't delete her. Before I listen, don't delete her. I just transfer some to another phone. Pia, 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 pia. What makes you think, Mercy Afisa, that we will become boyfriend and girlfriend again, or I will be sending you money, I will be assisting you? If you are the only person on this earth, sinful earth, and God say, if I don't get girlfriend, I don't come to heaven. God, I better make I go to her. I'm a man with integrity and dignities. I can do certain things based on an intelligent officer that I am to get what I want. But stupidity is not in my lineage and it's not in my DNA. The Mercy Afisa, if anybody tells you that me and Mercy Afisa will be talking, I will play some of the audio for you later. And if na me call you, we will know. You are the one that called me. That one is not a record. You called me for over 20 minutes. Saying you are begging for me and my ex to settle, blah, blah, blah. From there, you begin tell me, say, Shebi, I tell you something about her, you not believe. I see all this thing, I told you, you not believe. You are the one that called me. I did not call you, even when you use connect and understand, say, I love you. I know what I was saying, because I want to break you into the picture so that the lie you lie against me, we will start time afresh again. That is when I say, I love you, I still need you. Tu fia quoi? Tu fia quoi? The swear when I don't swear for you to not to have peace if you really lie to me. I cannot even imagine, say, I tell you, say, I love you for real, or I send you money. It doesn't work that way. I swear for you, and the swear meet you now. You are suffering. Mercy Hafiz, everybody's too for is suffering. She has not settled. From problem to problem, problem to problem. Be a kigbo we malu. Abba. Bí a kì gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ máa lo ẹ̀bẹ̀ títí ọpẹ́ mọ́ dá ló pé mọ́ di kékeré àwọn òsùn mẹ́. Bí má kì gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ máa lo mẹ́. A kì gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ máa lo a kì gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ máa lo ọ̀fẹ́ tí alẹ́ gbé ọ̀fẹ́. Pé mọ́ dá ló pé mọ́ di kékeré àbá. Bí má kì gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ máa lo. Good morning. I'll see you guys later. Yes, today night we dey buy cow. Then tomorrow festival lasts for 7 days. Tomorrow is the D-Day. We'll keep on praying. So those of you that have not supported, even though now next year you go support this year, support next year, you know. My tempo is so powerful. I've used it to help you and you testify. I say if you hear this festival, you not see chance take call. You not see chance take feel concerned. I not go swear for you yet. Now after 14 days of this festival, I will gather I go swear for you so that you go dey prepare you for body. You go still run come solve your problem. I see no reason why hello, hi, or whatever when you hear. If you not hear, it's different. If you hear, I know they beg anybody come to my temple. If you come, you pay for waiting you need, you get time. It's a must that when we are doing festival, we are not saying bring this, bring that. You will show appreciation just like church. Now they do festival, well done, no, bra. Hey, you can't try that to pastor, talk more of native daughter. So, you know, say this idiot of a woman, when they talk, he put Mercy Hafiz inside. He say, I sweep the whole street. He put Monica inside. And she did stupid rich. After now, go play Mercy Hafiz audio for this page. Make una see whether na me go carry and come. Whether that one not be Mercy Hafiz, wanna know. Very shameless Rose Amen. Shameless human being. All right, this is where I'm stopping right now. Let me read some comments. All right, bye for now. Not be every day I do exercise. You come here and not get fat when I dey born every day. I do it one day off, one day on. I not get fat. Anybody when you like gets me. 10 years. 10 years not be forever now. Before 10 years, you go come use your mouth rub ground. I know the hurry. The same mouth when you take rub, you take like gets me. You use that rub ground. Mercy Hafiz is a testimony of the cause when I did cause. People think say cause must buy somebody. Anybody when cause by say cause sorry for them, but anybody when cause yeah. It was past person when cause by. Make I can see whether my phone self, whether any of my phone they on. Make I first show her face for here. Look, I can't see. Yes. I think I'm lucky one of these phone is on. Bang. First of all, okay, make I see. What you are seeing there, oh, this thing go clear, so you see, say, na her number be that one. Make I pass there. When she, make I look for. I didn't check it because I was busy. How is everybody around you?
Hi.
No. I'm with you.
No, I said I called now, but you didn't pick. That's what I said.
I'm the one calling back now because I saw it. There is nothing much to talk about. The only different person among me is no, it's just God. We are three. We have settled. Because everything that happened. Maybe you said I came out first to talk, but that is something of the past.
Please, Chama, I am calling to.
Since we are going to be talking now, let us meet. That is all I can tell you.
No, but Chama, meeting is not that easy. I am pleading you help me collect my laptop. You see, at Alagmon, I was arrested, and that lady whom I was squatting with before you guys brought police harassed me. I ran and I left my clothes there, and she refused to give me those clothes. She said, you guys said she would be the soft spot to get me. That if I want to get a cloth, I should actually go to Lagos to her house and get it. I can't even send someone because I even told her someone is coming to Lagos and the person will bring the clothes to me. She refused that I shouldn't send anyone. And she even contacted some baristas according to them and they were reaching out to me, but I didn't respond to them.
Another day I will play this audio full. Like I see they look for where her face will show first. Another day, now it be her own.
My back, the back tire small. I just put the door.
I'm looking for where I recorded her to show that she's the one. On that one, I recorded her when she did the video with me, video call. So let me get that one. I want to. When these people stand to break down your name, they go do, and you say when they break down it, you can't think, you go can't confuse, say, I do this thing, and if you remember, you go confuse. When Messiah say, oh, the rain, the way we talk with like say, get evidence.
Because I wanted to say I also.
You go say, what? Wait, don't make I see. I want to know where I recorded video. I want to show. Today is not her day, but I just want all of now when they do tafia. Make una they do away.
Them and they were reaching out to me, but I didn't respond to their chat. Please, if you in fact now you are the main character in this drama. Because your wife arrested me because of you, and it was you, on behalf of you, because probably you were not in Nigeria. So I'm very sure if you go to Alagwa and tell them that at this moment you want that lady's laptop to be released, those things can be packaged and sent to my location. Please let me have my items. A new laptop is so expensive, even though I'm using a second-hand one. That one, you know, those things, those days, they are more original. The things we buy today, they are expensive, but the quality is not there.
Mercy. We have agreed. If we don't have any agreement, we cannot be talking now. Even though I have to, I'm a man with my word. Though. If you come to Lagos,
Chama, I can't come to Lagos. Before you complete, I can't come to Lagos.
Even though it's not working, let me talk now. When you were talking, remember I didn't talk. If you come to Lagos, I can
follow you down to
He say, Chairman, this woman don't apologize. When he apologize, he come and come to say na lie. To say forgive me, does it mean she have apologized? She have agreed that she lied against me. When this stupid ass now they lie against me, now she be all of na follow am. Very soon now say don't apologize. It make you not talk the truth again. No, Mercy Afisa never talk say with a friend, we not a friend. So she still need to come and tell Una say with a friend though, we not friend. Una still need to ask her a question. Say if Una know say Una the friend, why you can't lie say one rape
come
you?
to Lagos.
So that one will come. As all of Una they lie one by one, God they catch Una one by one. Don't apologize. Anybody can apologize now. Why is she apologizing? I lie against you. We were boyfriend and girlfriend though. Which of the apology is that?
I was pushing the bag. I come around.
There is one I recorded with her whatever. Let me see the photos. Any day I prepare for answer, I go get everything ready before I come online. So now I have, this is just last week and this week. You will hear when I'm ready to post everything. You hear when I talk about everything that happened as we were dating. Then you will hear her response. But when she came online to lie against me, all of una crap hand follow her. This the day now when don't stay with me for 6 years or more. She came out now to they start to lie. All of una crap hand follow. I know so now they push them to early grave. For the past how many years now, the whole world supported Mercy Afisa, but she's suffering. Not be juju be that. She's suffering. She's walking like a lion and eating like an ant. So Mercy Afisa, if you call me I pick, I just want to record you. So you may keep your calling, don't call me. If the women finish for the whole world and you are the only one left and I'm the only one left, I will still not want to have anything to do with you. Because if I did not survive the lie you lie against me, if I did not survive it, you will not be seeing me today to talk to. Or probably we want to have something together again. No, you are not the only person on this earth. The way your own now be, now so you this SO will was past your own, Afisa. Because the lucky when you get, Afisa, the small lucky when you get, you beg within 3 months or less. You quickly begged. You quickly beg. You beg, not me say you agree of wrongdoing, or you just apologize for forgiveness. Uche apologized. When Uche say forgive me, then he never say he did anything until after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So if person say forgive me, he can say forgive me of the stress I caused you. Doesn't mean the person did the main thing or character. So you say forgive me, that is even why you never lie down, they say. But I still need you to come and tell the world whether we were dating or we were not dating. Why do you choose to lie against me to gain favor? You, Mercy Afisa, that one will still come. So that suffer when you lie to me, they suffer. You need your crotch. Crotch when you don't reach 3 years, you still need that. Not be suffering, be that. You still need your old laptop. That kind one not dey market again. So, nevertheless, I can withdraw your case. Me, I don't even know say the case still dey exist. I don't know why they run. I'm not pursuing you, my dear. So I can withdraw the case. Then your family or friend go there and take your laptop and your crotch. I don't want to say now because of laptop and crotch, now you want to confess. I will still withdraw the case and make sure there is no case against you. But that body where they hurt you not will cool down till you come and confess. That is it. Make all of now they lie, they keep small. I will gather all my audio that we have been converting or our conversation rather. I will play it later if I have time, because today is a very busy day for me. I may not have all this kind of time. I will play it. The math when rotator say Uche na lie. Why she not use that math to explain wetin go do for Uche room? I don't want to swear for anybody when come here. If she say she not owe anybody explanation, but she owe Uche say na lie, that one na explanation. And maybe na quickly ask and say, okay, you don't say na lie. Quickly tell us the one when be truth. Or quickly tell us what you go do for Uche room. Or quickly tell us why you call police. You know what I mean? All right, see you guys later.